What's up, guys? Welcome back to another update on the Bronco. And you guys might be wondering what the hell this is. Well, I had the cap off, alright, because I was working inside. And then it started raining, so I threw this thing on there, which was... I was gonna use it because, like, the sun, like, beats down, like, middle of the day, like, right here. And, I don't know, I was like, I'm gonna build a freaking wall and not have the sun be so hot. So I ended up not finishing it, and then it started raining. So yeah, anyway, as you can see here, I was putting the vinyl floor in. It's not completely done yet because I don't well, I still gotta drill the holes and stuff. It's pretty much there, you know, it's pretty close. I've got to fix the rust hole over there though, because I was thinking about just leaving it, and then because the carpet does cover it, but I don't know, I should probably really just fix it instead of leaving it. But this is the vinyl floor, looks pretty good. Now this, I couldn't get it out before, so there's a rip in the... I had to cut a hole and fish this through, but I'll seal that up somehow. But yeah, this is the new vinyl floor for the Bronco. So a couple other things, I put the dash all back together and whatnot, so that's pretty good. I don't know what happened to this piece that goes like right here. Like this goes in, and then there's like a trim piece that goes around it. I can't find it anywhere. I really have no idea where it went. So I might, I don't know, if anybody has one of those and they want to, I don't know if you're local or whatever. I'm not gonna make you ship it, but I don't know, if you're nearby me, I guess, and you got one of those, I'll buy it off of you. Alright, so a couple other things. If you guys remember last week, alright, I made that video. We had the lifter tick issue, and it kind of wasn't running right also. So I ran some fuel injector cleaner through it. I ran some Marvel Mister Oil through it and stuff like that. And the lifter tick got a little quieter, but not really. I'm not going to run it in this video. You guys can go check the other video if you want to see that, or hear what it sounds like with the lifter tick. But I'm pretty sure that I can change the lifters without like pulling the heads or anything like that. From what I did, I did a little bit of research, and I'm pretty sure I can just like pull the plenum and stuff off the engine, and then do the well, I'll show you, I guess I'll just show you. Alright, so as far as I know, from what I've heard, is that I can, you know, take all of this off, like the intake and all that crap, and then pull the valve covers off, and then I can actually get to the lifters from there if I have like a special tool that goes down inside and kind of grabs the lifter, and then you can pull them out. So that's what I'm planning to do. And then if you guys remember in the last video as well, there was like kind of didn't really want to idle, and like the RPM like didn't want to drop at all. So what I did to fix that was that thing back there. You see this vacuum hose? And I stole this from like the AC or whatever, because yeah, just as a temporary fix. But that is the fuel pressure regulator or something like that. The little you know, the silver thing back there. So that needs vacuum to it, or it's not gonna run proper. So I just kind of stole a vacuum line from a random spot, and it started running really well actually. Like it was still, obviously the lifter was still ticking and whatever else, but it was idling good, it was running well, and it really gave me no issues. You know, I ran it for probably, I don't know, half an hour maybe. It didn't overheat, you know, it was running really well. So I'm not really super concerned with the lifter tick anymore like I was last week. I was kind of like, you know, this kind of sucks, but I don't think it's going to be as big of a deal as I thought it was going to be originally. So with that being said, I'm kind of holding off on that until I can get someone that knows what they're doing to help me do it, because I've obviously never done something like that before. But the parts for that are pretty cheap. I think I can get like all the lifters for like $60. If I got to replace the rockers, that's probably about the same as well. So we're talking like probably less than $100 worth of parts to do like the lifters, and if I need rockers and whatnot. Hopefully we don't have any, you know, bent push rods or anything like that, but we wouldn't know that anyway unless we took the heads off and, you know, checked them and everything. So yeah, anyway, lifters, not that big of a deal. We're going to get to it. What I did now, okay, as you can tell, vinyl floor, I bought that. I bought the transmission cooler lines that run from the transmission up to the radiator here, that plug in right here and down there. Those are the transmission lines. So I bought new ones of those because they're rusted down the side of the frame over here. So those have got to get replaced. I also, last night, ordered lift kit, wheels, tires. So what we're going to be doing is a 6-inch lift kit, which is what this truck had on it originally. It still has a 6-inch kit in it, but it has a 3-inch body lift as well. So pretty much it's going to be the same exact setup that I had on this truck. We're going to have the 6-inch lift. We're going to have the 35-inch Cooper tires that I used to have, the STT Pros, because I love those tires. And I probably should have kept those instead of selling them, because I could use them for this truck, but I ended up selling them for something stupid, like $500 for all 4 of them. So that's, you know, my loss was that guy's gain. But that's what we're doing. The wheels that I went with, actually, if you guys want to see the wheels that I went with, go check them on my Instagram. I got the picture posted on there. So they should be pretty sweet. But yeah, lift kit, wheels, tires, all that stuff has been ordered. And it's all supposed to come next week as well. So yeah, well, I also got, I've got like a box in the basement that has a whole bunch of other miscellaneous stuff that I need. Like I ordered the, you know, like the shackles and like the leaf spring mounts and whatever for the rear, all the bolts for that. I ordered like $600 freaking of miscellaneous shit. So that needs to be put on. It's probably maybe like $300 worth of miscellaneous shit. And then there was obviously the carpet and, well, the vinyl floor and the transmission cooler lines were the 2 big things, but there's probably about $300 worth of random stuff. So yeah, that's just kind of a little update on the Bronco. I am working on it, even though I kind of said I wasn't going to be working on it. And we're making some progress now. So once that stuff comes all in next week, I'm going to have to source some of these bushings before I can start doing the lift kit, these radius arm bushings. I'm going to have to get some of those. I ordered some, but they're actually out of stock, and they're on back order on the website that I ordered them from. So go figure, half the stuff I need for this thing is on back order. But yeah, I do need to find some of those, and the bushings up in, you know, like the ones that are right here for the axle pivots. I should probably order new ones of those, because these are the original ones, and I don't know how good a shape they're in. So I'm thinking if I'm doing the lift kit and everything, I might as well just change those as well. So yeah, that's kind of, oh sorry, I thought the video stopped for a second. That's kind of what we have going on for now, and we'll have more updates, especially now that I'm actually getting a whole bunch of parts in for this thing. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about the new vinyl floor. And yeah, we're just kind of gonna take this one step at a time. I'm gonna do as much as I can by myself, and then we'll end up getting to the lifters when I have, you know, when someone that knows what they're doing has time and can help me do that. So yeah, anyway, that's gonna do it for today, and I'll see you guys in the next update.